Actually, at this hour, only one car is unaccounted for. There's been absolutely no word of the Douglas Special, which figured so very prominently in the early stages of the race today. Well, I see the judges are closing down for the night, and by golly, so are we. But we'll return to the El Dorado at 7:30 tomorrow morning to bring you the start of the second and the final lap back to Yosemite Valley. Good night, everyone.
A little bird's nest soup never hurt anyone.
Thank you.
Oh, say, I hope this holds together. I'm putting welds on top of welds.
Mr. Wu, the wiring is mostly all burned off. The cylinder walls are scored. The carburetor's a mess. The body's sprung. This little car ripped itself to pieces trying to get us here. Gave us everything it's got. Now, maybe we could patch it back together. I don't know, but how can I send it back into that rat race tomorrow? It's got nothing left to give. It's your car. What do you say?
A wise man once said, when you come to last page, close the book.
You let that little car get under your skin, didn't you?
I don't know. There's a lot of gloop been written about the bond between a man and his automobile. How he hates it sometimes, mostly how he loves it. Showers gifts on it in the way of accessories. He gets hysterical if somebody scratches the paint or makes it lose face on the freeway. Maybe some of those feelings got into the machinery. I don't know. Tennessee thinks so.
Don't you?
There is something real about that little car. Something that doesn't even have a name. What I don't understand is, out of the millions of people in the world, why it picked a dog-eared second-rater like me.
You stood up for it once. I guess it thought you were worth belonging to. I understand that.
Douglas, didn't mean to disturb you. We'll just take the car and go.
Take the car? What are you talking about?
I understand that you are out of the race.
What does that have to do with you?
Speaking as the new owner of the car, I regard your question as impertinent. I'm going to hoist it up and drag it out.
Hold it! Who said you were the new owner of the car?
Perhaps Mr. Wu would like to explain how he wagered the car on the outcome of the race.
Even as you, I believed in the little car. I thought it would win. More honestly, I could not resist the odds.
Thank you. Good sir, would you say that this is a compact car? You do not answer. Well, let me tell you that you have never seen a compact car until you see what I'm going to do with this. Mr. Douglas, I have a friend with a claw and hook auto wrecking company in San Francisco. And he's going to work on your car. Maybe he'll transform it into a bird bath. Or what about a nice doormat so I can wipe my feet on it every day? It's too bad this thing doesn't have the gumption to get up to the starting line this morning. I should have enjoyed beating it.
Oh! Why, you...
Get your hand! Get your hand!
Something?
Small car, very angry.
And very strong.
The strength of 40 horses.
What do you think about that race coming up?
You know, I think now it's chance to remove Egg Foo Young off her face.